Hello all, Vinod here from Entrance Engineering Academy. So here in this video, I'm here just to say one or just to inform one small thing. Okay, so you guys already know that we launched the GATE-XE full course right before some 3 months, right? So and the course validity will be divided into two. One is 1 year validity and another one is 2 year validity. If you registered for the course, 1 year validity or 2 year validity. If you are registering for 1 year validity, the cost of that particular course was 7,999. Okay, and accordingly 2 year validity. But I'm not going to talk about that now here. I'm here to just inform you that as we know that GATE 2021 exam is approaching near, right? There is only 2 months left for GATE 2021 examination, and a few students might want to prepare for GATE, but right now they would have not joined any coaching or they would have not started their preparation. Okay, or maybe they would have started, but they will be having some doubts in some particular topics. For example, if you are preparing for GATE-XE, I'm saying you might have some doubts in thermodynamics, maybe in entropy you will have some doubt, or maybe in Rankine cycle, or maybe in psychrometry you might have some doubt, or if you go for fluid mechanics, something like uniform flow, ideal flows, and some other topics, kinematics, you might have doubt. Or if you go for mathematics, you might have differential equations, doubts in differential equations. So like you will have variety of doubts in variety of subjects. Okay, so we already have subject wise course, but if you have doubts in a variety manner, like not only with respect to one subject, in a different subject, then what we are going to do is we are going to provide you the full GATE-XE course. Okay, full GATE-XE course for this 2 months. Okay, December and January, and of course the first week and the first week of February until the GATE-XE exam comes. Okay, so mostly that's going to be until February 8th or February 9th. Okay, so that is the plan. So if you want to register for GATE-XE course until GATE 2021, that is a new course which we are launching. Okay, that is until GATE 2021 course. Okay, so the validity will be until February 8th. Okay, if you are registering for full GATE-XE course for 1 year validity, the cost is 7,999. Okay, if you are registering for this, that is until GATE 2021 course, then your cost is going to be the cost is going to be rupees 3,499, like 3,500. Okay, so the cost is going to be 3,500. And if you want to register for this course, that is GATE full XE course, what are the things it includes? It includes mathematics, and it includes fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics, and it includes additional topics. Already what are the additional topics which is available for this XE, XE, okay, A, B and E. Okay, so all the additional topics of XE, A and B will be included in that. In addition to that, 5 mock tests will be there. Okay, so these are the things which is included in this course. Okay, so something like max, FM, thermo, applied thermo, and you will be having some additional topics which is corresponding to GATE-XE and mock test for GATE-XE, but with a validity of approximately 2 months. Okay, so everything which is required for you for GATE-XE, okay, so that will be available in the course with a validity of 2 months, right? And in addition to that, which we believe that it's the biggest plus, we have a doubt support group, okay, for each subject, and you will get added into that doubt support group. Okay, and if you are posting any questions, the questions will be answered within 24 hours, maximum within 24 hours. If you are posting a question, the question solution will be posted maximum within 24 hours. That is something which we are keeping as our deadline for doubt support. Okay, so this doubt support, you can post any questions from previous year GATE or from any other questions which you can post, and you will get an answer for that. You will get a response and then you will get an answer for that, right? So that is what about this particular video. Okay, so I'm just want to introduce this and how to register. Simple, you just message us in this number. Okay, so you just WhatsApp us at this number. You just say that we want to register for GATE-XE full course for 2 months, that is for until GATE 2021 course. I will be giving you the procedure how to register. If you want to register for 1 year validity course, directly go to this website. Okay, enduranceengacademy.in. Okay, you just go to this website. You can directly register from our website if you want to register for 1 year or 2 year course. If you want to register for this particular 2 months course until GATE 2021 course, you just message us in WhatsApp, or even if you are not able to message, if you don't have WhatsApp, you can call us at this number. Okay, we will be giving you the procedure. Okay, so I feel that this is something which the students who need can utilize it. Okay, and another information which I want to say here, if you already registered for our additional topic course, okay, so we already launched a course called as additional topic course. If you already registered for additional topic course, and if you want to extend that additional topic course for this GATE until GATE 2021 course, okay, you already registered additional, now you want to extend this for until GATE 2021 course, please again message us at WhatsApp with your register mail ID and inform the things like I register for additional course, I want to register for this course. You just inform us, we will be getting back to you with the proper details. Okay, so simple 3 things. 1, if you want to register for GATE-XE full course for 1 year or 2 year, directly go to this website. If you want to register for GATE-XE full course, go to this for this course, particular course, you can message us, WhatsApp us at this number, or you can call us at this number too. And the third, if you already registered for additional course and you want to, want to extend the course for GATE-XE full course. Okay, you already registered additional, you want to GATE-XE full course, again you can WhatsApp us or you can call us at this number. Okay, these are the 3 things, and I already said this GATE-XE course includes, even if you registered until GATE 2021 also, it includes mathematics, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics, additional topics of GATE-XE, and 5 mock tests. Okay, so these are the things. I hope that this will help the students who are not able to utilize the coaching, because if you observe properly, already our courses, okay, all the cost of our courses are very less only, because we are just trying to provide the course as much as affordable as possible, and we are trying to keep the quality as much as high. Okay, so if you just go and watch the additional topic videos, you will understand how much effort we had done on that particular topic. Because if you see additional topic course, that is additional topic of this XEA-BE course, there is no source where the things are properly arranged. Okay, there are lots of entropy, okay, lots of disorderness in that particular topic. So we tried to make it in a compact manner such that the students can just take from it and directly they will understand everything. Okay, instead of going to refer somewhere, like the informations are scattered, that's what I could say. Okay, especially with additional topic course, because no institute is offering the additional topic course separately, right? That I can say 100% guaranteedly, no institute is offering the additional topics of GATE-XE, and we made our effort on that. And if you just go and check that course, you will understand that what are the effects which we done for that particular course. Okay, right, so that is what all about GATE-XE, and I want students to utilize this. So if any students are there who are preparing for GATE and who want help, okay, from our side by providing the video course, if they want any help from the video course, they can contact us. Please, you can just share this video or share our share our website with them, so that they will get benefit.